walk up to day, I think 20. But I'm like back in the COVID throes of sickness. I'm upright during the day and then I tank at night. I was up, I think I slept for 2 hours last night and that was it. Not good. I think my head's about to blow off. And today, I can't smell. I shouldn't have gone out yesterday. Thank God I wore a mask. So today we're going to do just a tiny bit of yard work. I have some plants here that I've been going to plant in my new raised beds. They're a bit of a mess, but I can wait till spring. It's not really friable dirt right now, but I have bulbs that I've had since September that I haven't put in the ground. So I'm going to fill the raised beds and my head pot with bulbs. I'm going to put the mint in to one of the raised beds, and I'm going to attempt to put some Japanese lanterns in the pot and see if it revives or reseeds. I'm also going to put the rosemary in there. I'll probably move them next year into a sunnier location, but I think they'll be fine for the winter. So I'm going to go about doing that, and I'll record while I plant with probably some music, and then I'll see you at the end.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
Okay, that's all from me. I'm going to give you one last view. I have 2 beds that I have not planted the bulbs into. I'm going to get some help because I'm not feeling too good. In fact, I'm feeling really nauseous. I think I've had enough today. It's time for bed for me. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully in a better state. If you haven't already followed, please do. Ring the bell if you want to know when the next video updates. Let me step back a bit. And leave me a comment. Hopefully I will be better in the next couple of days and not so pathetic. Okay, bye.